And as I walk through the valley of death, my voice echoes out through the night. Lord, Lord, whatever your reason, don't believe the reason right.
Hello YouTube. I'm getting some of the grime out of here. There's like a ton of, it's not really rust, it's just crud. I mean, there is rust on it. Just thought I'd check it out and see what's up. This, there's a lot of stuff. Let's see if there's writing on it or something. Let's see. See, there's like a bunch of crud all in here. It's like it's. This is rust over here. Yeah. Definitely Rust-Oleum over here. But over here, there's like dirt and shit in here. See, it's got a tiny little pin here. A tiny little. It's probably an old, yeah, it's a cotter pin. And looks like it's rusted into place here. And then this thing must come out somehow. Oh, there's a pin in there, I think. Yeah. Somehow, maybe. Nope, there's no pin in there. This must just jiggle out. Unless this hole right here. Yeah, I guess you gotta pound that thing out right there. See, there's a. I don't know if you can see this. I'll show you. There's a. Yeah, on here, in order to get this middle thing out, there's a hole here and a hole here, and I'm guessing it's to bang the pin out of there somehow. Because there's no way in natural hell that thing's coming out of here like that. And I don't know if I even want to mess with this right now. I think I might just want to vaporize the damn thing and see if I clean the hole out. Crudzy. Cruddy. So anyway, I don't see no markings on it. It was definitely black before. It's like, there's no words on anywhere. No words. No words can describe it. Blah, 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 blah. So anyway, I got this thing all. I bought a hacksaw blade hoping, see. Let me open this up here. See. Bought a hacksaw blade hoping it would fit, but I'm guessing old world blades come old world problems. So probably guessing this is too thick too. See. I'm gonna have to either find a blade that's, how long is this? Eight and a half inches long. So it's 8.5. Or I'm gonna have to make my own. I'm convinced that, like, you know, it's probably cheaper to make my own. The paint on here is pretty thick though. It won't even squeeze in there, see? It's a, yeah, it might squeeze in there. Actually, I'd probably be better off just like putting it in there, just drilling a freaking hole through it. Just mark it and be like, yeah, hacksaw. See, I could probably use it like that. Put a hole in it and just save the blade. It's a bimetal blade. It means it loves male blades and female blades. Is that what bimetal means? I don't know. Anyway, that's one little piece of trickery. I'm gonna drop this in the vapor rust in a few minutes, and I'll show you that. Got a few other tricks on my sleeve here.